here at Aurzen, and they've been doing projectors for a long time. But this product is their flagship product, I feel, and it's going to be a game changer for portable projectors. Check this out. So what you're seeing here is the projector by itself, all right? And this folds down into that little piece of unit. It's like, in comparison to you having your iPhone, that's a similar weight, all right? And this goes literally into your pocket. So you no more need tripods, you do not require to have additional accessories. It can run up to 1.5 hours on its own battery. If you need to power it up, it's got USB-C, and it works directly natively with Apple AirPlay. So your laptop or your iPhone, you can AirPlay directly into this device. And now check this out. They've got their own accessory if you want to have further flexibility of having it mounted with a magnetic top, all right? And this is another cool feature for you to see for the product. I'm going to move it around and hold it, and you can see the auto keystone. I'm going to tilt it over, all right, all the way down, bring it back up, and it readjusts. Of course, you have the option to double tap and tell it to focus more. You've got 100 ANSI lumens, and with this 100 ANSI lumens, of course, you need to be in a controlled environment. Imagine walking into your meetings, walking into scenarios where screens are not available. You just put this out of your bag, AirPlay, and boom. And if you're not satisfied with this form factor and just having 100 ANSI lumens on a projector, obviously of that size, you can go slightly bigger. And here is the Boom Air edition. And now in the Boom Air, you have, of course, a larger form factor, but it still looks a little bulkier. But if you look at it, it's super light. And it's much brighter, 3 times more brightness, which means you're getting 300 ANSI lumens. And now with this one, as you can see on my projection here, it's got the same features, autofocus. I can literally turn this all the way up into the ceiling. Boom. You've got this now projecting into your ceiling while it's on the floor. Does the same thing, wireless AirPlay directly from your iPhone or your Mac. And it's got this super cool technology which allows the autofocus as well as the keystone happen in quite real time. You see there? I moved it within seconds. You can actually see the focus getting adjusted in real time. I think that's quite cool. Again, another cool feature in events where you don't want to really have high-end projectors running on the place. Do something on budget. Make this interactive using, of course, other technologies like LiDAR and sensors, and then have something like this as portable. Here's another cool utility, and this is mounting it on the wall wirelessly, connecting to a game console. Imagine interactive tables, adding more accessories, and it's just having one dongle, and that's what it's projecting, all right? You use the dongle, you plug into your machine, your PC, whatever console is obviously running the show on the back end, and you have that bang, no latency. There's so many utilities for this, and I think it's going to be something unique, the way people use it in different ways to gamify an experience within event environments other than just being a pocket projector. That's what, of course, its intended use is. But well, that's some food for thought and some amazing tech on the Technologist.